I had longs on gold on around this zone here. So basically what I saw was, as you can see, price is making higher highs and higher lows. So this is a low, then this is a higher high, higher low, higher high. Then this zone here is a higher low. Then we made this higher high. Then this is a higher low, right? Or potentially price uses zone as a higher low. I was expecting price to drop further, maybe even up to this zone here, this structure point here, around here, where we had this last lower high on this counter trend here. But price did not drop. Instead, we made this low here, this higher low here, and we push up to make new highs. So on the 1 hour time frame, it's looking like this. Once I saw price made this low here, as you can see, this low. So this was all higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So we had this higher low. Then as soon as I saw price push break above this to make a new high, then potentially this was telling me that okay, this zone now is a potential higher low, because from this higher low we made a new higher high. You get? So once I saw a break, once I got this break, this was the candlestick break. Once I got this candlestick break that made this break above this to make a new higher high, I entered longs. So we are targeting 5412, which on the daily time frame is a high. So yeah, on the daily time frame, as you can see, the daily time frame, this is a high, right? That's where we are targeting this high here. This is the 2 hour time frame. So that zone which we are targeting is also a zone, a resistance zone too. But I'm also expecting price to have some type of rejection around 5250 zone, 5250 zone, because it's a mid level between 5000 and 55. So around 5250 zone. That is if we push up, yeah. If we push up, yeah, then potentially we could see price have some type of reaction around that zone. So I'm just gonna hold, we're just gonna hold and see what price do. Is how the position is looking like on MT5. So yeah, this was my entry here. As you can see, this was my entry. So we had news around New York time. It's this reversal that you see. That's what causes reversal that you see here. So yeah, I'm still holding this position. My target is up here. Targeting here, right? So this is like 1 to 3 risk to reward. So just watch and see how this position plays out. So right now we've liquidated this position around, I think around this area, around 5054 zone. So why did I liquidate it? On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that price we rejected all the way down to this zone, then we pushed up, and now price is rejecting this resistance that I have, this picking zone. See how price rejected off that zone, right? Once I saw this rejection, then I had a feeling that okay, she's not ready yet to continue bullish. Maybe that steeper retracement that we're expecting from her, maybe we are going to still get it. So resistance is looking like this. So yeah, on the 2 hour time frame, this is the resistance, right, that we had. And since we push all the way up and we are not, we are supposed to continue with that momentum, but we not continue with that momentum since we broke down below, came back to retest this resistance, right? Retest it and started dropping down. Then yeah, potentially this is looking like we are not ready to break above this zone yet. For now, we are not ready. So that's why I took out this position. Like yeah, so cut my losses short, and we'll just wait and see what price makes. But I feel like she wants to make a steeper retracement. That steeper retracement that we're expecting down around this last structure point, like I said. Yeah. So I'm expecting that she wants to make a steeper retracement. So we'll just wait and see what she does.